All right, hey guys, I'm just going to show you what you're doing as you start this parody project. So you're going to need your art pencil I sent you because it's an H and it's light, your eraser, your big piece of paper that I sent you home, and then your picture of American Gothic that I sent home to you. And I'm going to bring this up close, kind of, as we're doing this. But you're going to need a ruler also. I'm hoping you have one of those at home. A tape measure will work, anything like that. Okay. Um, your paper, if I remember right, should be, mine is 13 by 15 and a half. I don't feel like yours was that big, but hey, hopefully it was. Anyway, um, you're going to divide it in half. So I feel like the papers I sent you guys were 9 by 12. So if they are 9 by 12 when you measure it, you're going to go at 6. Mine is 13, so I'm going to go at 6 and a half, and I'm going to make a mark here, and I'm going to do it again down low. Okay, and I'm going to put my ruler right along there and do my grid. Just like we did in class. Shouldn't be anything new. Okay, then the other side. Um, I have this as 15. I think I did you guys as at 12. So if it's at 12, you would be at 6. 15 would be 7.5. Hopefully we've got this down. Okay, you're going to make your mark. I'm going to mark it on two sides. Okay, we're going to go here. Notice you probably can't even see my lines, and that's good. I don't want you to be able to see them. They should be light. I want to erase them. Okay. All right, so you should have that. Then this one, you could do the same way. You can measure it out, or you could just do like I've shown you, just hold it up kind of to the light, fold it in half. So notice the paper's not in half, the picture's in half, because if you went by the paper, this is a lot bigger. It's just the picture's in half. Same way here, I'm going to hold this up to the light. It is, the paper's in half that way. Okay, you should have 4 equal squares. All right, 4 equal squares here with your folds. Okay, 4 equal squares on your paper. All right, so I have chosen to do Red Skull and Captain America for my parody. All right, as you start drawing this out, you want to start by drawing American Gothic out, okay? You don't want to draw every detail though. I don't want to draw the heads of the dentist dude, right? Or the father, whatever you want to call him, or the lady. I don't want to draw their heads in because I'm going to change them. So I usually start with the point of the house. And the point of the house is just slightly off the center. So I have my center line. So the point's here and it's almost to the top. So the point of this house is going to be about right here. Okay. So I'm going to look at my picture here. It ends up about right there. Okay. And I'm going to go over this with a marker in a second. And then the point of this goes over here about like that. Okay, if you notice, there's another little building here in the background, and you see the roof going out straight. Okay, so I'm going to get those kind of details in, and then I'm just going to kind of make a loose sketch of where the head shape is. Okay, I'm not trying to make it exact. I'm just putting a loose sketch of where the head shape is. Same way here, his chin is ends well before the line. Okay, so his head is about like that. All right, I don't know if you can see that very well. I'll get in there, he really can't. But anyway, his head shape is only about this big. This is my halfway mark. His head's up here, her head's over here. And this is going to be Captain America. This is going to be my Red Skull person. Okay, all I'm going to do over here is figure out about where the shoulders are. So her shoulders are pretty slanted, and it probably hits about right there on the paper. Okay, His shoulders actually hit above my halfway line about right there. Those are just a mark to help me. Okay. His middle shoulder, his goes over about right here. Okay. This one goes about right there. Okay, this is the pitchfork. It's about right there. This is pretty loose. If this is all you have done on Friday, you're fine. So I have the house drawn in, I have where the two heads are going to go, I have the pitchfork, and I have where the shoulders are. You can definitely get farther. I'm going to go over this in marker. I will take a picture of it and post this along with this video so you can see kind of the end result. But I don't want you to do this in marker. I just want you to do it in pencil. I'm just going to do it in marker so you can see it. Okay, hopefully that gives you enough that you guys can get started and be working on this the next 2 days, Thursday and Friday. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.